Hi, in this video, I'm going to continue solving practice question straight line for the graphs. So a quadrilateral ABCD has been drawn on the grid. Okay, determine the equation line. So let's start with AB first. AB, let's find the gradient of AB. So this point is 0.3 and here is 3.0. So we got the gradient. So the second one 3 minus 0 and then 0 minus 3. So 3 divided by minus 3 equal to minus 1. So with the intersect y is here 3. So AB will be y equal to minus x plus by 3. Okay, next let us find BC. So the gradient of BC, so this point 3.0, here is 0 minus 3. So there we go. Okay, let's make it, this is the second y, so minus 3, 0, and then minus by 0, minus by 3. So minus 3 divided by minus 3 is equal to 1. So the gradient is 1. So the y equal to x plus y-intercept is minus 3. So it's not plus, it's gonna be minus by 3. Okay. Now we are going to CD. Let's find the gradient. So this point 0 here 3.0. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay, we got it. y2 is 0 minus by minus 3 divided by 3 minus by 0. Okay, we get 3 over 3 equal to 1. Wait a moment. This is 3. Okay, x2 is 0 minus by minus 3. And x2 is 3 minus by 0. Okay, so this is gonna be 1 BC CD. Wait a moment. So this point is gonna be 0 and minus 3. This point, this C is gonna be 3 and 0, minus 3 and 0. Okay, we got it. So let us work with minus 3, minus by 0, minus 3 minus by 0, and then 0 minus by minus 3. Okay, we got minus 3 divided by 3 equal to minus 1. So for CD, y equal to minus x, the gradient m is going to be minus 1, and y-intercept is minus 3, minus by 3. Next, after CD, we got AD. So the gradient, okay, this minus 3, okay. Y2 is 3 minus by 0 divided by 0 minus by minus 3. So it will be 3 divided by 3 equal to 1. So the equation y equal to, the gradient is 1. So x, y-intercept is 3, so plus by 3. Okay, we got it, the equation. So this is AB. Equation is gonna be minus x plus 3. And BC equation y equal to x minus 3. CD is y equal to minus x and minus 3. AD is y equal to x plus 3. Now find the midpoint of M of sides DE. Okay, this midpoint. So we got the point A is 0.3. D is minus 3.0. So we'll find the middle point. So the middle point M, so it's gonna be 0 plus by minus 3. We divide by 2, and then the second point 3 plus by 0. Okay, so the midpoint is minus 3 over 2, which is minus 1 over 0.5. 1.5. Okay, Number C. So what type of quadrilateral? So let us see first the length. What is AD? So to find AD, so the difference between them, so AD is gonna be 3, so this is 3 minus 3 square plus 3 square, so it's gonna be 9 plus 9 square root of 18. AD. Now let's find it AB. So okay, we got it, the point, so the square root of the difference, okay, it's gonna be 9 plus 9 square root of 18. So all of this length is gonna be square root of 18. So this is, we can write it as square because all sides are equal. Next, 12. Work out the equation of each of these lines. A line parallel to. So first, let us find it, the gradient, this gradient A. So the first gradient equal to 3. If the parallel, so first and then second gradient are equal. So we got x equal to 4 and y equal to 2. So y plus, not plus, formula y equal to mx plus c. We need to find the c first. Y equal to, gradient is 3, x equal to 4 plus by c. So this is 2 equal to 3 times 4 is 12 plus c. So c equal to minus 10. So let's substitute again. So y equal to gradient we got equal to 3x, and then the c is minus 10. Okay, next question. Now is perpendicular. So here we got it 5 minus y equal to minus 2x. So let's make it y equal to 2x plus by 5. Okay, here the gradient. So first gradient equal to 2. So the second gradient, because of perpendicular, we will flip and give it a minus. Perpendicular line. A line perpendicular. Fast to, okay, so we got the gradient is equal to, so the perpendicular is like this. So m1 times m2 equal to minus 1. If m1 equal, the gradient equal to 2, so the m1 must be minus 1 over 2 to make it negative 1. Okay, let's substitute y equal to mx plus c. Y we got it here. Y is 2, m is minus 1 over 2. X is 4 plus by c. So 2 equal to minus 2 plus c. So c equal to 4. We'll substitute y equal to m is minus 1 over 2x. And then c is 4 plus by 4. There you go. Okay, a point determine the exact distance between the point. Okay, to find the distance, so this is A, the distance square root of x1 minus x2, we make it square, addition with y1 minus y2, we make it square. So x1 we got minus 3 minus by 7, make it square, plus by y1 is 4 minus by 2 and make it square. So minus 3 we minus by 7 is gonna be minus 10 square, and plus by 4 minus 2 is 2, so 2 square. So this is gonna be 100 plus 4, square root of 100 plus 4, so it's gonna be 104. We could simplify it, so this is gonna be 4 times 26. So 4, as we know, 4 times 26, this will be 104. Sorry, here we miss. So 4 times 26. Okay, square root of 4 is 2, so 2 square root of 26 centimeter. We got it. So what is the length of line AB correct to 4 significant figures? So square root of 26. Either you can use a calculator like square root of 26 and then multiply it with 2. So if you are using a calculator, it's gonna be 10.20 centimeter. Now it's 14. How can you use the distance formula to find the points on x-axis that are 10 units from? So first we need to write here. Write the formula with, okay, we got it here, 4.6 as one of the point one of the point and what is this? Okay, formula. One of the points and x.0 as the other point and solve for x. So the 2 points are are 12 minus 0.2 and minus 4.2. So with the formula here, okay, with 4.6 as one of the points and then x.0 as the other point and solve for the x. Okay, we can try this way. The distance equal to x1 is 4 minus by x. So this is 4 minus x squared plus by the second one is 6 minus 0, so 6 squared. Distance is 10. Okay, we got it. So we will make it 4 minus x squared plus by 36. So let us make it square both of them. So it's going to be 100 equal to 4 minus x squared plus by 36. Okay, 36. So we minus it is going to be 84. Is it? No, 64. Equal to 4 minus x and square. We make it square root. It's going to be 8. Equal to 4 minus x. So x equal to 12. Okay. X equal to 12 and y equal to 0 here. So you can try to another one. As this is plus minus 8. So first it's gonna be plus 8 plus by 4. Plus by 4. And then the second one minus 8 plus by 4. So this is the second one. It's gonna be minus, so let me write. It's gonna be 8 plus 4 equal to 12. And here it's gonna be minus 8 plus 4 equal to minus 4. Okay, there you go. Now it's 15. Yeah, this is last question. So the 2 points x and y and minus draw is Carson plane. What is the distance? So we'll write distance equal to square root of x1 minus x2 square plus by x2 y1 minus by y2 square. So x1 is x minus by minus x square plus by y minus by y. Then we make a square. So here we got 2x square plus by 2y square. So 4x square plus by 4y square. Factorize it, so it's gonna be 4 bracket x squared plus y squared. So square root of 4 we know equal to, so it's gonna be 2, and then x square root of x squared plus y squared. Okay, there it is. Thank you.